Right. So no one quite prepared me for how cold it was going to be in this area. In winter, we're getting a top of 8 degrees, an absolute top of 8 degrees. And in the mornings, it's like down to minuses. So ultra cold, so much so I have had frost on the inside of my windows. The house is freezing. Everything you touch is cold in winter. And the current setup is there are 2 split systems, very small ones, not big enough, mind you, to take on these almost 4-meter ceilings. And there are a couple of fireplaces here too for open fires. And those of you who follow me on Instagram would have seen that we nearly burnt the joint down. After 4 days of living here, the chimney inside basically set on fire and it was roaring. We had to have the fire brigade here and everything. So not particularly a great welcome to the neighborhood. So what is the solution to this for me? How am I going to warm this house? Well, I want the luxury of being able to push a button and have the entire house heated or cooled. I want to be able to control individual rooms, and I also want it to be energy efficient, so not chewing through the power and me being anxious about turning it on. And I also need it to be future-proofed as well. So I've got to think holistically about how I'm going to handle all of this, because I actually want my heat pump hot water system to talk to my solar system and my battery, and my heating and cooling to talk to all of those as well. And I want them to do the thinking and do the smart thinking, all about how they're going to use less power and be more efficient. So I'm actually going to turn this old house into a smart home. Well, today is a really exciting day. I can't tell you how happy I am to be getting some warmth into this house. So I'm having a whole house ducted heating and cooling system from Hire put in. It's electric. And I've done a lot of research, really trying to find out what the best system is going to be for this place, the most efficient. And these guys are it. So if you're in Australia, you'll know that Hire are a top-notch appliance company. So they do laundry appliances and kitchen appliances, but they actually are the #1 smart air conditioning brand in the world. With the ceiling, so we're actually going to replace the ceiling.
Yep.
But we're going to go straight over the top of it with some MDF similar stuff.
Yep.
So what we'll do is we'll leave enough wiggle room for us to unscrew.
Yeah.
So it's going on the wall, not in the ceiling, right? There's a void here that goes up.
I know those bits.
Yeah. So we're gonna. It's just 1 or 2.
Just the one.
So yeah, so up here in the roof cavity, that was amazing. I feel like I should be putting up a room in here or something, making it a bit of a den. But this is, what do you call this? It's the header unit or something?
Yeah, the indoor unit.
Yeah, the indoor unit. So this is where all the ductwork comes out from and goes across the floor into the various different rooms I've got. And I'm going to be able to control each room separately, set timers, set programs, and control the whole system from wherever I am in the world with a Smart HQ app, which is going to be a game changer for me. It's a lot of technology, a lot of brains, a lot of thinking into this particular setup as well. And for Hire, being able to enter the market with this level of production, is #1 smart air conditioning brand in the world. Yeah. I mean, it's huge for Australia and New Zealand, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a great opportunity. You know, I'm not sure of too many manufacturers that have the breadth of product range that can communicate into that one system.
Yeah.
It's a great opportunity to bring that all into the palm of your hand.
So what we decided in the end was the return area is going to go here. That's why we ripped this out for you. And you're gonna go out the other side, and then we're gonna build a bulkhead at the other side here. I can't wait to show you how this entire system is interconnected through the app, and all of my appliances are running off here, and what a dramatic impact this is going to have on my electricity bills, on my electricity consumption. I mean, it's like having one system do everything rather than individual systems all competing against each other for energy. So it's a bit of a game changer, and the whole house system from Hire really is the way of the future. It's where it's all going, and I literally came across these guys online. If you jump onto hirehome.com.au, you'll find out what system might work for your place, and of course, the prices.